So the question is, how many carbon atoms are in 3 grams of C4H10, known as butane? Well, my plan is to go from grams of butane, which I've labeled as A, to the moles of butane, A, and then I'm going to use Avogadro's number to get into molecules of butane, not atoms. At that point, I'm going to use the fact that in every molecule of butane, there are 4 carbon atoms. So the first thing we need in this problem is the molar mass of butane. And I've already calculated that out. If you take 4 times 12.01 grams per mole and add that to 10 times 1.007 for hydrogen, you're going to get 58.11 grams per mole. And that would be the molar mass of the butane. And we're going to use that molar mass to go from grams of A into moles of A. So that's the first step. So we're going to go from 3 grams of the butane I'm going to use dimensional analysis. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to use the molar mass as a conversion factor. I'm going to flip it. So 1 mole of butane over 58.11 grams of butane. So we're still in C4H10. Grams of that are going to cancel. The next step is to get into molecules of butane. So I'm going from the center. I'm going to use Avogadro's number. I want the moles to cancel, so I'll put the 1 mole in the denominator and the 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd molecules. In this case, we're working with molecules still. And that's the key to this problem. So I got my molecules of butane. Moles are going to cancel. And the last fact that I need looks at the formula, C4H10. That formula tells me I have 4 atoms of carbon for every 1 molecule of the butane. So molecules of butane cancel. So using dimensional analysis, everything should cancel except for atoms of carbon. So I'm going to do the multiplication across the top. 3 times 6.022 exponential 23 times 4. Get that number. And now I'm going to divide by 58.11. And my answer comes out to 3 sig figs. My answer is 1.24 times 10 to the 23rd atoms of carbon. Make sure you're inputting the exponential in your calculator correctly. When I type in 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd, I'm using the second function exponential key, which on the Texas Instruments has a EE. Okay, on the Casios it says times 10x. Do not use the caret keys to show the 23rd raised to the 10 raised to the 23rd power. That screws up the order of operations. So that's probably where your mistake was. I hope this helps.